Taking care of yourself and loving who you are is very important. It might seem small, but it can make a big difference in how you feel and handle life's challenges. Self-love means knowing you're valuable and treating yourself kindly. It's about accepting all parts of you, even the things you may not like. Self-care is doing things that make you feel good and healthy, like taking a break when you need it or enjoying a hobby. When you practice self-love and self-care, you develop greater strength and confidence. This helps you to support others better, spreading positivity around you. Let's start a journey to feel more love for ourselves, build self-confidence, and accept who we are. Welcome to Jacinta Healing Arts. Today, I want to take you on a journey to self-love and build self-confidence and embrace self-acceptance. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and to take a deep breath in. And out. Allow yourself to be here right now. Feel your body connected to the ground. Imagine roots growing from your feet, keeping you stable and strong. Take a moment to feel supported by the earth. As you breathe in, imagine breathing in a bright, warm light. This light is full of love and warmth. Let it fill you up from head to toe. Feel this love wrapping around you, filling every part of you with kindness and care. Now picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. Look deeply into your own eyes. See your strength, courage, and unique beauty. Say to yourself, I am confident. I believe in my abilities. I can achieve great things. Keep repeating these words until you feel them inside you. Now, imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding you, accepting you just as you are. Let go of any negative thoughts or doubts. Be at peace with who you are right now. Say to yourself, I accept myself completely. I am enough. I am worthy of self-love and respect. Take some time to enjoy this feeling of love, confidence, and acceptance. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch, and open your eyes. Remember you're a unique and beautiful person, worthy of all the love, confidence, and acceptance you felt today. Carry this feeling with you always. Thank you.